In this problem, we have a complex fraction, and this time, instead of just numbers, we've got variables in here too. So how are we going to go about solving this? I think probably the easiest way is to rewrite this as a division problem. A fraction is really a division problem. It's the top divided by the bottom. So I could rewrite this as x minus 3 over x, that's our top, divided by 3 over 5x. And then I can rewrite that as a multiplication problem by flipping the second fraction upside down. So this becomes x minus 3 over x times 5x over 3. And then to perform multiplication with fractions, you just multiply across the top and across the bottom. Before you do that, it's probably wise to cancel. I see an x on the bottom and an x on the top that I can cancel here. So those go. I couldn't cancel with this x because that's part of a different term, but this one, 5x is multiplied by that whole term, so this x will cancel with that x. So what I get on the top now is x minus 3 times 5. So I'm going to rewrite that as 5 times x minus 3. And all of that is just over 3. If I distribute the 5, I would get 5x minus 15 over 3. A lot simpler than what we started with. Another way you could approach this, if that way is too easy for you, you could try to multiply by a form of 1 that would simplify your complex fraction. The number I would choose, or the expression I would use to multiply by, would be 5x over 5x. The reason I chose that one is because 5x down here is going to cancel with this one. If we multiply 3 over 5x, multiply it by 5x, that's just 3. And over here, we get 5x, the x's will cancel, the 5 just gets multiplied across the top. So you end up with 5 times x minus 3 over, and these 5x's cancel, over 3, and that's exactly the same as what we got there. Just one more step to go, distribute the 5. So there are a couple of methods for solving a complex fraction that involves variables.